Welcome to Easy Learning. Hello student. Today I solve the inequation in ML Agarwal. Exercise number 4. First question. Solve the inequation 3x minus 11 minus 3 such that x belongs to 1, 2, 3, dot 10. Also represent the solution set on the number line. Since 3x minus 11 less than 3 such that x belongs to 1, 2, 3, dot 10. We just treat this inequation as a equation and we can solve the x. This implies that 3x less than 3 plus 11. This implies that 3x less than 14. This implies that x less than 14 by 3. This implies that x less than 4 and 2 by 3. Therefore, solution set of x that is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. And we represent the solution set into the number line. So we draw the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot 10. And we represent the solution set. We represent the solution of x in the number line 1, 2, 3, 4 by giving a circle which is filled with black. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Solve 2 into x minus 3 less than 1 such that x belongs to 1, 2, 3, dot 10. Solution. 2 into x minus 3 less than 1 such that x belongs to 1, 2, 3, dot 10. This implies that 2x minus 6 less than 1. Just we remove the bracket and multiply it by 2. We just determine the value of x, so we just transfer the constant in the right hand side. This implies that 2x less than 7. This implies that x less than 7 by 2. This implies that x less than 3 and half. X less than 3 and half, that means to say that solution set of x that is equals to 1, 2 and 3, and it represent on the number line which is encircled by the black circle. Next, question number 3. Solve 5 minus 4x greater than 2 minus 3x such that x belongs to W. Also represent its solution on the number line. The given equation 5 minus 4x greater than 2 minus 3x such that x belongs to W. This implies that 4x minus 4x plus 3x greater than 2 minus 5. This implies that minus x greater than minus 3. To determine the value of x, we must multiply it by minus 1 on both sides. And if we multiply it by minus 1 on both sides, then the inequality sign is changed. So x less than 3. We get x less than 3. X less than 3, therefore solution set of x equals to 0, 1, 2 such that x belongs to W. That means to say that x belongs to the whole number. We get the solution of x 0, 1, 2 and we represent this solution set on the number line, and we draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot, and we represent a black circle on 0, 1, 2. This is the solution set on number line. Next question. List the solution set of 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30 given that x is a positive integer. Solve this inequation when x is a positive integer. Solution: 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30 such that x is a positive integer. This implies that 30 minus 8x plus 4 less than 30. This implies that 34 minus 8x less than 30. This implies that minus 8x less than 30 minus 34. This implies that minus 8x less than minus 4. Again we get minus on both sides, so we multiplied by minus 1 on both sides, and if we multiplied by minus 1 on both sides, then inequality sign is changed, so 8x greater than 4. In the previous step, minus 8x less than minus 4. So from this step we get this step by multiplying by minus 1, and according to the inequation solved, when we multiplied by minus 1, then inequality sign is changed, so we get 8x greater than 4. This implies that x greater than 4 by 8. This implies that x greater than half. So x greater than half we get the, and here x is a positive integer, therefore solution set of x that is equals to 1 2 3 dot 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 dot, since x is a positive integer. Next, question number 5. Solve 2 into x minus 2 less than 3x minus 2 such that x belongs to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Solution: 2 into x minus 2 less than 3x minus 2. We remove the bracket. So this implies the multiplied by 2 in the left hand side of the inequation. So 2x minus 4 less than 3x minus 2. This implies that 2x minus 3x less than minus 2 plus 4. This implies that minus x less than minus 2. Again we get minus x. So we multiplied by minus 1 on both sides, and when we multiplied by minus 1 on both sides, then inequality sign is changed. So x greater than minus 2. X greater than minus 2. That means to say that we get the solution set which is greater than minus 2, not equals to minus 2. So solution set of x that is equals to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, since x belongs to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, question number 6. If x is a negative integer, find the solution set of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into x plus 1 greater than 0. তাহলে we must find the solution set when x is a negative integer. So see the solution: 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into x plus 1 greater than 0, multiplied by 3 on each term on both sides, we get 2 plus x plus 1 greater than 0. This implies that x plus 1 greater than minus 2. This implies that x greater than minus 3. Therefore solution set of x greater than minus 3, minus 3 থেকে বড়, x is greater than minus 3. That means to say that we get the solution set minus 2, minus 1, since x is a negative integer, and we represent it into the number line. Representation of solution set in number line. So we draw the number line minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1, and dot 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 dot. So we get the solution set minus 2, minus 1. So we just give a black circle minus 2 and minus 1, and this represents the solution set in the number line. Next, solve 2x minus 3 by 4 greater equals to half such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, dot 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 8. We solve this inequation and we get the solution from this set. Let us see the solution. 2x minus 3 by 4 greater equals to half. So multiplied on both side by 4. Otherwise we cross multiply. 4a 2 into 2x minus 3 get r equals to 4. That means to say that 4x minus 6 get r equals to 4. This implies that 4x get r equals to 10. This implies that x get r equals to 10 by 4. This implies that x get r equals to 5 by 2. This implies that x get r equals to 2 and half. So we get the solution set from the given set 0 to 8. The solution set of x equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, dot, 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 8, since x belongs to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 8. Next. Question number 8. Solve x minus 3 into 2 plus x greater than 2 into 3x minus 1 such that x belongs to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Also represent its solution on the number line. At first we solve this inequation and we choose the solution set from the given set of x and represent the solution set on the number line. Solution x minus 3 into 2 plus x greater than 2 into 3x minus 1. So this implies that x minus 6 minus 3x greater than 6x minus 2. We multiplied by this and this on both sides. Therefore, this implies that minus 2x minus 6 greater than 6x minus 2. This implies that minus 2x minus 6x greater than minus 2 plus 6. This implies that minus 8x greater than 4. This implies that 8x less than minus 4. In the previous step, we get minus 8x greater than 4. So we must multiply by minus 1 on both sides, and if we multiplied by minus 1 on both sides, then the inequality sign is changed. So 8x less than minus 4. This implies that x less than minus half. Then the solution set of x, that is equals to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, since x belongs to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And we represent it in the solution set minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 by a black circle at x equals to minus 3, at x equals to minus 2, and x equals to minus 1. Next, given x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Solve x minus 3 less than 2x minus 1. Solution x minus 3 less than 2x minus 1. This implies that x minus 2x less than minus 1 plus 3. This implies that minus x less than 2. Again we get minus x, so we must multiply by minus 1 on both sides, and when you multiplied by minus 1 on both sides, then inequality sign is changed, so x greater than minus 2. Therefore solution set of x, that is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, since x belongs to 1 to 9. Next, given a equals to x such that x belongs to I, that means to set of integer, minus 4 less or equals to x less or equals to 4. X is a set of integer and x belongs to minus 4 and 4. Solve this inequation 2x minus 3 less than 3, where x has the domain capital A, and graph the solution set of the number line on the number line. Consider the inequation 2x minus 3 less than 3. This implies that 2x less than 3 plus 3. This implies that 2x less than 6. This implies that x less than 3. X less than 3. And given condition, the x belongs to integer set and x lie between -4 and 4. So solution set of x equals to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And we represent this solution set on the number line. So we write here representation of solution set in number line. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And we encircled at that points, and all these are solution set. Next, list the solution set of the inequation half plus 8x greater than 5x minus 3/2 x belongs to z. Solution: half plus 8x greater than 5x minus 3/2. This implies that 8x minus 5x greater than minus 3/2 minus half. This implies that 3x greater than minus 2. This implies that x greater than minus 2/3. x greater than minus 2/3. We represent the solution set. Therefore, solution set of x equals to x greater than minus 2/3. That means to this in this point x equals to minus 2/3. That is which is lies between 0 and -1. So x greater than minus 2/3. So solution set of x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, dot since x belongs to z. Next, list the solution set of 11 minus 2x by 5 greater equals to 9 minus 3x by 8 plus 3/4 x belongs to capital N. That is x belongs to the natural number set. We solve this inequation and we just write the solution set. Solution: 11 minus 2x by 5 greater equals to 9 minus 3x by 8 plus 3/4. We just do the LCM in the right hand side of the inequation and left hand portion of the inequation is remain unchanged. 11 minus 2x by 5 greater equals to LCM is 8, 9 minus 3x plus 6. Solve it. 11 minus 2x by 5. This implies that 15 minus 3x by 8. We multiply in this way. This first and this is the second. 8 into 11 minus 2x greater equals to 5 into 15 minus 3x. This implies that 88 minus 16x greater equals to 75 minus 15x. This implies that minus 16x plus 15x greater equals to 75 minus 88. This implies that minus x greater equals to minus 13. This implies that x less or equals to 13. So solution set of x equals to 1, 2, 3, dot up to 13 since x belongs to capital N. Next. Find the value of x which satisfy the inequation minus 2 half less or equals to half minus 2x by 3 less or equals to 1 and 5/6 such that x belongs to n. Solution: minus 2 less or equals to half minus 2x by 3 less or equals to 1 and 5/6. This implies that minus 2 less or equals to half minus 2x by 3 and half minus 2x by 3 less or equals to 1 and 5/6 such that x belongs to capital N. X belongs to capital N. So this implies that minus 2/1 less or equals to, just do LCM, 6, 3 minus 4x and we do LCM, 3 minus 4x by 6 less or equals to 11 by 6. This implies that minus 12 less or equals to 3 minus 4x and 6 into 3 minus 4x less or equals to 11 into 6. This implies that 4x less or equals to 15 and 3 minus 4x less or equals to 11. This implies that x less or equals to 15 by 4, and this implies that minus 4x less or equals to 8. This implies that 4x greater or equals to minus 8. This implies that x less or equals to 3 and 3 by 4 and x greater or equals to minus 2 for all x belongs to n. So solution set that is minus 2 less or equals to x less or equals to 3 and 3 by 4. 3 and 3 by 4. Therefore values of x that is equals to 1, 2, 3 since x belongs to capital N. Next. If x belongs to capital W, find the solution set of 3 by 5 into x minus 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than 1. Also graph the solution set on the number line if possible. You at first solve this inequation and determine the solution set when x belongs to W, and if possible then you draw the graph on the number line. So see the solution. 3x minus 5, 3x by 5 minus 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than 1. This implies that just do LCM, 15, 9x minus 5 into 2x minus 1 greater than 1. This implies that 9x minus 10x plus 5 greater than 15. This implies that minus x greater than 10. This implies that x less than minus 10. There is no solution, x less than minus 10. And x belongs to capital W. So there is no solution of x belongs to W which satisfy the given inequation. There is no solution of x belongs to W which satisfy the given inequation x less than minus 10. Next. Solve. Question number 1. X by 2 plus 5 less or equals to x by 3 plus 6 where x is a positive odd integer. Second, 2x plus 3 by 3 greater equals to 3x minus 1 by 4 where x is positive even integer. X by 2 solution. X by 2 plus 5 less or equals to x by 3 plus 6. This implies that x by 2 minus x by 3 less or equals to 6 minus 5. This implies that 3x minus 2x by 6 less or equals to 1. This implies that x by 6 less or equals to 1. This implies that x less or equals to 6. That means to say that x value of x is equals to 6 or less than 6. And x is a positive or odd integer. Therefore solution set of x that is equals to 1, 3, 5 such that x is a positive odd integer. Second, 2x plus 3 by 3 greater equals to 3x minus 1 by 4 multiplied 4 by this and 3 by this. Then 4 into 2x plus 3 greater equals to 3 into 3x minus 1. This implies that 8x plus 12 greater equals to 9x minus 3. This implies that 8x minus 9x greater equals to minus 3 minus 12. This implies that minus x greater equals to minus 15. Again we get minus x. So we multiplied by minus 1 on both sides. And if we multiplied by minus 1 on both sides, then the inequality sign is changed. So x less or equals to 15. Therefore solution set of x 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 since x is a positive even integer. Next. Given that x belongs to I, solve the inequation and graph the solution of the number line 3 greater equals to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater equals to 2. ICSE 2004. Solution. 3 greater equals to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 plus greater equals to 2. This implies that 3 greater equals to, do LCM 6, 3 into x minus 4 plus 2x greater equals to 2, multiplied 6 on both sides, 18 greater equals to 3x minus 12 plus 2x greater equals to 12. This implies that 18 greater equals to 5x minus 12 greater equals to 12. Adding 12 on each side, 18 plus 12 greater equals to 5x minus 12 plus 12 greater equals to 12 plus 12. This implies that 30 greater equals to 5x greater equals to 24. This implies that 6 greater equals to x greater equals to 24 by 5. This implies that 24 by 5 less or equals to x less or equals to 6. This implies that 4 and 4 by 5 less or equals to x less than 6. Therefore, solution set of x that is equals to 5, 6, it is represented on the number line 5, 6. Okay. Next, given x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, find the values of x for which minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 less than x plus 4. Solve. Minus 3 less than 2x less than x plus 4. This implies that minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 less than x plus 4. This implies that minus 2 less than 2x and x less than 5. This implies that minus 1 less than x and x less than 5. This implies that x greater than minus 1 and x less than 5. This implies that minus 1 less than x less than 5. Therefore, solution set of x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 from the given set of x, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Next. Question number 18. Solve 1 greater or equals to 15 minus 7x greater or equals to 2x minus 27 x greater than n. 1 greater or equals to 15 minus 7x greater or equals to 2x minus 27 such that x belongs to n. This implies that 1 greater or equals to 15 minus 7x and 15 minus 7x greater or equals to 2x minus 27 such that x belongs to n. Such that x belongs to capital N. This implies that 1 minus 14 greater or equals to minus 7x and minus 7x minus 2x greater or equals to minus 27 minus 15 such that x belongs to capital N. This implies that minus 13 greater or equals to minus 7x and minus 9x greater or equals to minus 42 such that x belongs to capital N. This implies that 13 less or equals to 7x and 9x less than 42 such that x belongs to capital N. This implies that 7x greater or equals to 13 and 9x less than 42 such that x belongs to capital N. This implies that x greater or equals to 13 by 7 and x less than 42 by 9 such that x belongs to capital N. This implies that x greater or equals to 1 and 6 by 7 and x less than 4 and 6 by 9 such that x belongs to capital N. That is x less than 4 and 2 by 3. Therefore, solution set of x that is equals to 2, 3 such that x belongs to capital N. Next. If x belongs to capital Z, solve 2 plus 4x less than 2x minus 5 less or equals to 3x. Also represent its solution on the number line. Solution 2 plus 4x less than 2x minus 5 less or equals to 3x such that x belongs to Z. This implies that 2 plus 4x less than 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 less or equals to 3x, x belongs to Z. This implies that 2x less than minus 7 and minus x less or equals to 5. This implies that x less than minus 7 by 2 and x greater or equals to minus 5. Therefore, this imply that minus 5 less or equals to x less than minus 7/2 x such that x belongs to z. Therefore solution set of x that is equals to minus 5 comma minus 4 such that x belongs to z. Okay.